me in believing in me. Ding!
It's reserved for him.
Let's do cake and steak.
The following is a general audience movie.
Chirp.
The chicks with you.
Let's go, guys.
And as for the rest of us, we'll go find Bad Broccoli and stop him from destroying the world once and for all.
We'll be right back!
Announcer runs a new show in a new world with weekly episodes and 12 contestants. Welcome to Battle for Dream Island Elsewhere. Watch new episodes premiering Thursday on Halting Tuber TV.
Hey guys! Hey son! Hurry up! What, Daddy? Well, oh yay! What's up?
I got you a balloon to blow up. Ready?
Wow! What? He's about to
No!
No!
Blow it up, man. Blow it up, Charlie.
We'll never know why Polly likes bubblegum.
Spend your weeknights right here on Disney Junior. From dinner time to bedtime, your Disney Junior friends are ready to wind down with you.
It's spinning!
So dim the lights. Put on your jammies and settle in for weeknights on Disney Junior.
Rhinoceros.
You're back!
Weeknights starting at 6/5 Central on Disney Junior.
Hey Leafy! What is it, Pen? Have you tried the new Soda Supreme? No? Why? Because it's very tasty. Try it. It's super good. Look at the wrapping. Isn't the wrapping perfect though? No, it sucks. You're not gonna actually drink it, are you? Yes, but first... Ah! That's what happens when you don't drink Soda Supreme. So get some now.
Well, everybody, they're building the island of luxury. It's called Dream Island.
64 contestants. One island.
We'll lose a full bunch. Please, snap.
Crazy challenges. And more.
So, how much will it cost?
Not even a penny.
Then I'll take it.
Catch the gang of Battle for Dream Island Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. and at 4:30 p.m. on Teens Channel.
Anyway, instead of playing these digital games, who wants to play Connect 4?
I guess we'll play that.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, me too. Well, let's begin.
Watch Springtrap and David, a new series every weekday on your Jeff Toon network.
Now back to the fun time.
This is a general audience program.
Whoa, what's this episode from?
Well, the most important question is, what the heck happened and where is everyone else?
We're right here. By the way, what are you girls and chicks doing here?
Oh, we are just here to fix some timelines from Bad Broccoli.
Oh, okay.
Oh, well, let's just fix what we have.
What the? Why do we look like this?
Why are all of our powers gone?
Oh snap.
Bro. You saved our lives. I promise I'll be nice to you from now on.
Great work, Muffin. We're all very proud of you.
Yep, we definitely are.
Thanks everyone, but it wasn't all just me, it wouldn't have all been Pineapple too. I don't know how is still alive though. Thanks man. It's what friends do. Now let's go back to the apartment. Let's go have a party. Oh yeah, I can't wait.
Ready, Alliance? Hurrah! Toothy, I'm not too sure. I mean, I don't want to be a wet blanket, but I don't think this is as cool an idea as I thought it would be.
Nonsense!